Milo from Atlantis here, and I'm coming to you this week with a short video, but it is a very juicy, very delicious, very satisfying video, because I was watching a video by Lynn's Creations here on YouTube. I'm going to pop them up on screen. I'm also going to pop up a video where I learned how to install brushes on Krita, because these are Krita-based chunky paint brushes, and it's like impasto brushes. They're so creamy, they're so blendy, they're so paintbrushy, it's kind of blowing my mind. You can see me freaking out there on camera. So this video is going to be much shorter. It's just a little process video, but it's so satisfying using these brushes, and I'm going to have all the links down in the description, both to Lynn's creation video, the one for installing the brushes and using Krita, as well as the brushes themselves, so that you can go and pay for them on Gumroad if you have the extra money and you want to support them, or you can even download these for free. So this is just a asset/resource awareness post essentially this week, and I do use this painting that I do in the book itself that I'm making, and that's a perfect segue into I'm making a book. It's called TarotSaur, and it is about the occult, it's about paleo art, and it's about me having fun and exploring esoteric concepts like communication with spirits and the otherworldly, unseen world things that are out there that might not have names yet. This book is going to be specifically centering around communication with very specific dinosaur fossils, and if that's something that you're interested in, I hope you stick around to when I actually finish this book and publish it. And if you're interested in how I'm going about my self-publishing journey, then you can follow my series here on YouTube, where I detail the entire thing to the best of my knowledge. I'm open to questions and feedback about what you want to see in the ways that I'm going about it. But until later, this was this Sunday's video.